Whether you live in a one-room studio, a six-bedroom colonial, or even an igloo, you can build a SimpliSafe system that's right for you. Each system comes with three main components. The base station, the brains of the system that communicates with sensors and sends alarm signals to our monitoring center. The keypad, which enables you to easily control your system, and the yard sign that warns off would-be intruders by telling them your home is protected. After these main components, you could add solutions to customize your system. We recommend entry sensors and motion sensors for every home. Entry sensors guard your main doors and windows that could be easily opened from the outside. If you have a room with 5 or more windows, we recommend you get one glass break sensor instead of an entry sensor for each window. Motion sensors add protection inside your home. They guard your home while you're away and can also be used at night while you're sleeping. You don't need many motion sensors, just enough to cover the main rooms an intruder would have to pass through as they first enter your house. Most homes need one, while larger homes may require 2 or 3. Finally, adding a camera to your system delivers an important extra layer of security. It allows you to see what's happening if an alarm goes off. Remember, when choosing your system, don't sweat it too much. You can always add more components like hazard sensors, locks, cameras, or panic buttons to your system later if you feel like you need them. Advanced home security, 24/7 professional monitoring for less than $1 a day. There's no safe like SimpliSafe.